Hello guys, welcome back. So far we have talked about the Einstein Trust Layer, the prompt journey part where it goes through several steps of secure data retrieval and grounding, then data masking, and third one is prompt defense. Now once the prompt has gone through these steps, then it reaches the gateway. Okay, once a prompt is fully prepared and secured, it is ready to go through the LLM gateway. This gateway controls communications with different AI models and provides a safe way to interact with multiple models. So this is the gateway which connects to the LLM models, to your AI model, and it provides a safe way of communication to interact with the models. The gateway and the model providers, which is like OpenAI, ChatGPT, or Azure OpenAI, they use a encryption of the type TLS encryption to keep the data safe during transmission. Okay, models that are created or customized by Salesforce are hosted within Salesforce Secure Network. Models that are external like OpenAI are hosted in a shared secured environment, and models that you create are hosted on your own systems. Okay, so there are three different categories of the models. It can either be the models that Salesforce has created. There can be models which are external AI models like OpenAI or Azure OpenAI, and there can be models which you have created which will run on your own systems. So it could be different varieties of AI models. So this gateway helps you to connect with variety of these AI models. Now, important thing to remember, and this is very important from the exam perspective also, that Salesforce has a zero data retention policy. What is the meaning of zero data retention policy is once the response has been generated by the AI model, it cannot store that response as well as the prompt. It cannot store any of that information. It cannot retain that information, and that is the contract Salesforce has with these models. Okay, Salesforce has a zero data retention policy with external partners like OpenAI or Azure OpenAI, meaning any data that is sent to them is deleted after a response is returned to Salesforce. So once the response is returned, any information that has been sent to those models will be deleted, and this is called as zero data retention policy. Very self-explanatory. What is zero data retention policy means? You cannot retain any data. That is called as zero data retention policy. You cannot save any data. You cannot save any prompts that we are sending over to you for your learning purposes or anything. So that is the contract that is there between these AI models and Salesforce. Okay, so far what we have talked about the prompt journey, then we have talked about zero data retention and what is the meaning of zero data retention. Now the third thing that we have is called as response journey. Okay, the next important topic is response journey, and we are going to talk about that in the next video. Thank you very much.